This is how you download GIFs on your iPhone. If you don't know what GIFs are, you're going to find out in just a second. First thing you want to do is open Safari. I use a website called Pixabay to find GIFs because they have lots and lots of options. To get to the same website, just search for pixabay.com and you'll end up here. If we scroll through the search bar, above the search bar here, we have a GIFs option. Tap on that. You can use the search bar to search for GIFs. There's some options down below the search bar here, like Easter or spring, which is the current season. Tap on there. We have 80 free GIFs available. And if we tap on them, we can see what they are and what the actual animation is. Here is a melting snowman, just in time for spring. If you want to download any one of these, just tap on the download button. They're royalty free. You can use them wherever you want. You can put them on social media. You can share them with your friends, put them on your website, wherever you want. So we download this to our phone, and it's not always immediately obvious where the download goes. Even if you tap on that download notification there, it doesn't take you to where the file is. So let's find the file on your phone. Tap on search down here for the spotlight search. Start typing files. This will bring up the Files app. Let's open that. I'm in the downloads folder already, but you might end up at the very beginning of the Files app like this. It usually downloads to the On My iPhone folder, but I have my downloads favorited, so it appears up here. So if you don't see a downloads up here, check the On My Phone file for downloads or recently downloaded or something like that. I'm going to tap on downloads. There's our GIF right there. Sweet. I can now tap the share button. I can share it with all my friends. You can share it to various apps, and you can basically put it wherever you want. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. I know it sounds weird, and you've probably never done it, but that's why you have to watch this video. I'll see you there.